Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Wiggins from OT again. Last time we practiced adding hot lava under the bottom of our bottom line just to help us remember to keep our letters placed on the line. So you're probably going to need a red or orange crayon so that you can add the lava underneath your lines when you're writing sentences. But the other most important thing that we're going to do today is we're going to focus on adding spaces between our words. It is super important to add spaces between your words because if you don't, all of your letters are going to be all jumbled together and nobody's going to know what all of the important things are that you have to say. So today, we're going to use a trick that I use in OT a lot. And I like to give a small treat or some sort of food to place in between your words to help it represent a space. And at the end of writing your sentence, you get to swipe your treat and eat it. So it's a super cool way to remember to add spaces. It's kind of like a special reward. But if you don't have food available, then you could use a googly eye or an eraser top or a penny or even a crayon or a pencil. You could even just rip off a piece of paper and roll it up into a ball and use that as your spacing tool. And if you're a lefty, this is going to be super helpful for you because it can be kind of tricky to use a finger space when you're a lefty. So hopefully you can do this trick even when you're doing work from your teacher, anytime that you're practicing writing your sentences. And overall, this just makes handwriting a lot more fun. When you're practicing your sentences, what you need to do is add some lava underneath your bottom line. What you're going to do is you're actually going to copy this sentence onto this line. So this is the lava that you have. So you're going to write this word, Todd. Write Todd on the next line, then stop. Then you're going to use anything you can find. My favorite thing is to use a special treat like pretzels or fruit snacks or Hershey Kisses or M&Ms or Skittles or anything that you want. But if you don't have food like that, you could even use a crayon. And you're going to put your food or your crayon after the word Todd. So get your piece of food and put it after the word Todd. Just like that. Very good. After you put your piece of food or your object after your word, now write the next word, which is the word adds. A is a magic C letter, D is a magic C letter, D is a magic C letter, and the letter S. Then move your piece of food over to the word after add. You're adding spaces by putting your food after the word, and then you write the next word. When you're done writing your sentence, swipe your food off and eat it.
Wow, I have to eat this now.
Yes. This works really good, especially if you're a lefty, so that you do not have to use your finger space. Now, if you were a lefty, you'd have to move this finger after the word and then use your left hand on the other side of your finger. Isn't that awkward? It's really hard to do.